Today we are doing Parada Shodhana. The ingredients required are Parada, Saindava Lavana and Lashuna. Procedure is equal quantity of Parada and Saindava Lavana and Lashuna are taken and triturated and washed in the hot water, and further it is used for the Rasagravits. Reference is Rasatarangini. Parada Shodhana Raseshwara Samasudarajasa Mardayet Tato Dviguna Vastranta Galitam Kalva Kenyasate Rasona Nishpusham Tulyam Tadartam Lavanam Hare Talkalke Mardayet Sutam Yavad Yanti Krishnatam Krishnam Kalkam Parityajam Yata Prakshalya Yuktitaha एवक्तेन वारेण रसेन्द्रः शुद्धिमाप्नुयात्।